So let's continue our solution. A loan of 8,000 was repaid in 2 years in monthly payments of $400. The interest on the loan as a percentage was. So we know that the amount to be paid in 2 years will be 2 times 12 times 400. The 2 year is for the 2 years, and the 12 is 1 year. Then that is 1 year is 12 months, and the 400 is the monthly installment. So for the 2 years will be 2 times 12 times 400, and this will give us $9,600. Now, if we had paid the loan outright, then the amount you're supposed to pay is 8,000. So we need to find the profit. So this the loan amount is 8,000. The interest on the loan will be 9,600 minus 800, which is $1,600. Now we express this as a percentage of 8,000, and that will be equal to 1,600 over 8,000 times 100%, and this will simplify to 1 over 5, and you know 5 goes into 100 20 times, so the percentage is 20%, and the correct answer is D. A man pays 60 cents for every 200 meter cube of gas used, plus a fixed charge of $13.75. How much does he pay when he uses 55,000 meter cube of gas? So we know the amount to be paid is a fixed charge plus the cost of using the 55,000 meter cube of gas, and we know the fixed charge is giving us 13.75, and we need to find how many 200 meter cube are in 55,000 meter cube of gas by dividing 55,000 by 200 meter cube. Then we multiply the result by $0.6 or 60 cents. Now we simplify this. We know this, we cancel this, we have 550, and we are left with 2. Now 550 divided by 2 will give us $275. Now 275 times 0.6 will give us 165, and when we add it to 13.75 we get 178.5. So the correct answer is, now we want to simplify this, 8a all squared. Now remember that 8a all squared is the same as 8a times 8a. Now let's regroup. So 8 times 8, and then we have a times a. Now a times 8 will give us 64, and a times a will give us a squared. Now this will simplify to 64a squared. So the correct answer is this. Now we are number 24. We want to use this expression. We want to use this expansion to find the middle term in this expansion. So this is the expansion given to us, and the expansion given to us is this. The number or the factors given to us is this. So over here a is for 3 and b is equal to -1. So we have a plus b, that is 3 plus -1 over here, and when we simplify the middle term we get 2x. So the middle term is 2x. Therefore, the correct answer is 2x. Now let's proceed to the next question. We want to simplify this. That is, we want to expand and group like terms. So this will give us 5x plus 5y. This will multiply this to get 5x. Then this will multiply this to get 5y. Then this and this will give us negative 3x. And remember, negative becomes positive. So we get 3y. Now let's regroup the terms. So 5x minus 3x, then 5y plus 3y. Then let's simplify to get 2x plus 8y. So the correct answer is this. Now we have this. We want to rewrite this. So we need to first of all find the LCM of 7y and 5y. And you know the LCM will be 7 times 5, which is 35. Then y is common to both sides. So the LCM will be 35y. 35y. So now we need to make the denominator 35y so that all will be the same and we can easily add the numerators. So we might have to multiply this by 5 and also this by 5 so that we don't change the expression. Then this by 7 and this by 7 so that we don't change the expression. So this will give us 20x over 35y. That is 4x plus 5 will give us 20x. Then 7 times 3x will give us 21x. Now we can write down one of the denominators since they are all the same. To get 35y, then we can now add the exponent since the denominators are the same. We can now add the numerators to get 20x plus 21x, and that will give us 41x over 35y. So this is the correct answer. Now let's look at number 27. We were given the expression, the definition a star b is equal to b over a minus 1. And we want to simplify or find 7 times 28. So in this case, a stands for 7 and b stands for 8. So this is the expression given to us. A times b is equal to b over a minus 1. So 7 for a, 28 for b. So we substitute we substitute b for 28 and a for 7. Then we simplify this. You know, 28 is same as 7 times 4 all over 7. This will cancel this. Then we left with 4 over 1. And the same as 4 minus 1. And this is the same as 3. So the correct answer is C. Now let's proceed to the next question. Given 2x plus 3 is greater than 9, the range of values of x is, so we just have to simplify this inequality. So the given inequality is 2x plus 3 greater than or equal to 9. Now we subtract 3 from both sides to get 2x is greater than or equal to 9 minus 3. We simplify on the right to get 9 minus 3 is 6. Now we divide both sides by 2 to get 2x over 2 is greater than or equal to 6 over 2. Now note that 6 over 2 will give us 3. So the correct answer is D. Now let's proceed to number 29. If x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to 3, and t is equal to 2, then x over y all exponent t is equal to what? So this is what is given to us. X equal negative 2, y equal 3, and t equal 2. So we need to substitute into this expression. So negative 2 for x, 3 for y, then 2 for t. Now we know that something squared means that thing times itself. So negative 2 over 3 times negative 2 over 3. Now is the same as negative 2 times negative 2 over 3 times 3. Now negative 2 times negative 2 will give us 4. Note that the negative becomes positive all over 3. So this will give us 4 over 9, not 3, 4 over 9. The correct answer is B. Now let's look at the number 30. When 6 is added to a number and the sum is divided by 3, the result is 4. This statement written in mathematical symbols is. So we know that we can represent the number with x. So let the number be x, the unknown number be x. Then now 6 added to the number means 6 plus x. Then also the sum divided by 3 gives us this 6x plus 3 all over 3. So this is the sum divided by 3. Then we're told that the result is 4. It means there's an equality that must come in. So this thing is equal to 4. Therefore, we have 6 plus x over 3 is equal to 4. And that will give us the number 1 or the option A as the correct answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we'll be solving more of the paper 1 questions. And also subscribe to my second channel. Now, if you can still see this red thing here, it means you have not yet subscribed. So you just have to click it so that the next upload, see it is still red. You have to click it so that if I upload the next video, you'll be informed. Click the bell icon too so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.